The way in which I will incorporate Nduja in the mac and cheese is pretty easy, which means that if you have a preferred mac and cheese recipe, if your mama makes the wonderful, the best mac and cheese in the world, or your grandmother makes the best mac and cheese in the world, follow the recipe but just add a little bit of Nduja. Because in this case, those are my mac and cheese, I will make mine Eva style. And I will start making a simple bechamel. Bechamel is a very easy sauce and is made with butter, flour. Then we add milk, a pinch of nutmeg, black pepper and a pinch of salt. And we cook until it has the bechamel consistency that is velvety, silky, liquid but not too liquid, thick but not too thick. Because this is Eva mac and cheese, Eva style, and because Eva is Italian, my mac and cheese will be mac and cheeses. Today we are going to use a mix between pecorino and parmigiano, and then I will cut some dry mozzarella. I know that this doesn't substitute cheddar, but a mild cheese plus a very strong cheese like pecorino and the king of a cheese like parmigiano, it can work pretty well. Because our bechamel now is ready, this is the velvety, silky consistency that I was talking about. What I'm going to do now is pour some of these cheeses inside. It's very important to turn off the heat when you are doing this. The bechamel by itself is an amazing sauce. If you add to the bechamel pecorino and parmigiano, it becomes better. We are elevating here the bechamel.
We haven't even gotten to the in-doo-yah yet.
No, but the in-doo-yah is to elevate the mac and cheese. Here is all about elevation today. I need to use this to make the mac and cheese. But if I hadn't to do the mac and cheese, I was sitting here with a spoon and eat this. This is pasta time, so the water is boiling. I'm going to salt my water. Here there is written cooking time 5 minutes. Now, if there is a rule that is okay for all the baked pasta dish, is that you don't need to boil the pasta all the way until it's completely cooked. Take the cooking time, cut it in half, boil for half of the time, because then the pasta will keep cooking in the oven. I'm going to cook these elbows macaroni for 2 minutes and a half, maybe just 2 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Is it in-doo-yah time?
Now is the in-doo-yah time, and what we do with the in-doo-yah is put inside as much as we want.
And so you skipped that because why?
Because I need to check if it's enough or not.
I'll be the judge of that.
The in-doo-yah in this case is useful also to give the same color of the real mac and cheese.
Oh, they're like orange.
Now that I'm thinking, because otherwise my mac and cheese were just a white mac and cheese. In this way, no, they will be orange.
I think we can bump that up a little bit.
We can go what?
I'm asking for more in-doo-yah, Ava.
Ah!
It's my party and I'll cry if I want
All?
to. Yeah, oh yeah.
The smell is amazing.
Yes, that is exactly what I was gonna say. That looks pretty good to me.
To complete our mac and cheese, I'm going to add some cheese. Our amazing cheesy bechamel sauce.
Oh my gosh, that looks... You're right. It looks like Velveeta mac and cheese.
I told you.
Except much better. a nice breadcrumb crust. Does that mean it's time to bake it?
No, we need to add a little bit extra cheese.
All right, I forgot this was Ava style.
Because macaroni, mac and cheeses are mac and cheeses. And now it's time to bake them. Mac and cheeses with Nduja. The smell is amazing. And now we need to understand if they taste good.
Buon appetito. Oh. I'll be right with you guys. I'm having a moment here.
Like mac and cheese, it's a good dish. Then, if you add the Nduja, that it's an amazing product and works so well, also here you have really an elevated mac and cheese.
That is without a doubt the best mac and cheese I've ever had.